Hello everyone, we're grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here to do a walk around with you on a 2019 Nissan Frontier SV. The point of our walk arounds? Transparency. To show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights the features and options of the Nissan, just scroll up, it's located above this video. If you're on a YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus to view the free CARFAX report, the original window sticker, maybe get some financing options, or to grab a shipping quote to ship the Frontier anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Frontier, so let's get to that walk around. All right, we are doing a very quick walk around on this. There's not a whole lot to show you. Tires are like new. There's a couple of tiny itty bitty chips on this hood, and that is it. When you back up, they vanish. This having 18,000 miles on it, even though it's 3 years old, the finish is amazing. Very clean, well above average condition. Bed extender, spray and bed liner. Wheels are perfect. There's really not much to say, so I'm just kind of giving you a preview of just how clean this truck is. And if you're looking for a smaller size, clean truck, this is definitely one of the ones you want to consider. Let's take a look at the interior. Taking a look at what you don't see, which in our case is this side of the visors and the headliner, which is in like new condition, and the top of the dash, which is also in like new condition. But if you do have any questions about the condition on the interior or exterior of the Frontier, please give a call to Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the top of your screen. Look forward to seeing you again next time.